What happens when one of the world's biggest social media companies tries to reinvent itself into an AI and metaverse empire? Welcome to the story of Meta Platforms, the company once known simply as Facebook. It's 2025, and Meta isn't just a social media giant anymore. It's betting billions on building the digital world of the future. But is it paying off or falling short of the hype? Let's find out. From Facebook to Meta, the great transformation. When Mark Zuckerberg rebranded Facebook to Meta in 2021, it wasn't just a name change. It was a signal, a bold declaration that the next decade would belong to the Metaverse, a vast, interconnected digital world powered by VR, AR, and AI. Back then, critics laughed. Stock prices tumbled. Billions were burned in reality labs, Meta's division-building headsets, holograms, and digital avatars. But in 2025, the story looks a little different. Meta's Reality Labs revenue has surged thanks to the Quest 4 headset and AI-powered collaboration tools, now being adopted by enterprises, not just gamers. And Meta isn't stopping there. Zuckerberg's new AI assistant, integrated across WhatsApp, Instagram, and Threads, has turned the company into a true AI ecosystem, capable of personal recommendations, digital commerce, and even real-time translation. The business engine behind the innovation. Underneath all that futuristic ambition lies Meta's true powerhouse: advertising. In 2025, Meta's ad business generates over $160 billion annually, thanks to advanced AI algorithms that target users with near-perfect precision. Instagram Reels and Facebook Marketplace are stronger than ever, while Threads, Meta's Twitter rival, has grown to over 250 million active users. Meta's strategy is clear. Use social platforms as the gateway and feed them into a larger digital economy, powered by AI, immersive experiences, and digital identity. But investors are watching something else: the bottom line. After years of losses, Reality Labs has finally narrowed its gap, and Meta's stock has rebounded, up nearly 45% year-to-date in 2025, outperforming much of big tech. Challenges and controversies. Still, Meta's road to dominance is anything but smooth. Regulators in the US and Europe continue to scrutinize its data collection practices and dominance in social networking. Competition is heating up. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Snap continue to fight for attention spans. And internally, some shareholders remain skeptical about the Metaverse bet, calling it Zuckerberg's moonshot. Yet those who understand the long game see potential. Meta is laying the infrastructure not for the next quarter, but for the next decade. Its investments in AI chips, cloud computing, and mixed reality could redefine how humans interact with the digital world. Meta's financial and investment outlook. From an investment perspective, Meta sits at an intriguing crossroads. Its price-to-earnings ratio hovers around 28, reasonable compared to peers like Nvidia or Microsoft. Analysts expect steady double-digit growth in both revenue and operating margin, especially as AI-driven ad tools outperform expectations. Long-term investors are eyeing Meta not just as a social media stock, but as a hybrid tech innovator competing across AI, VR, and enterprise software. Still, risks remain. A slowdown in digital ad spending, rising regulation, or failed consumer adoption of VR could all drag the company down. But if Meta's ecosystem succeeds, it could become the central hub of the AI-powered internet. The bigger picture. Meta's story isn't just about technology. It's about reinvention, a company that dominated one digital era and is now fighting to define the next. From a dorm room in Harvard to a trillion-dollar empire, Zuckerberg's vision has always been to connect people. Now in 2025, that connection is evolving from screens to immersive worlds, from social networks to digital existence. Will Meta's metaverse dream reshape the way we live and work, or remain an expensive fantasy? Only time will tell. But one thing's certain, in the ever-changing world of technology, Meta is still writing one of the most ambitious stories of our time. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into technology, innovation, and investing. This is NextVault. See you in the next one.